When I took some of my horizontal video and I dropped it into iMovie, my video wasn't coming out vertical. Hey there, I'm Joshua. Welcome to Gainer Flight, and this video is for all you content creators. Whether you're shooting vertical video or horizontal video, I want to show you how you can edit and export vertical video on iMovie. So about every social media platform now is promoting vertical videos, vertical short form content, and I wanted to start making some vertical content for myself. I also had the idea that I have a lot of video shot in horizontal form, and I wanted to figure out how I could export that and make a video with that horizontal video in vertical format. And there is a way that you can do that using iMovie, and I want to show you it here. Now, I originally came across this idea when I started searching YouTube like you're all doing right now, and I came across a video by MacMost. It was super informative, super detailed, and the main concept of this movie was learn from him. So I will put a link to his video down below. Definitely go watch that and get a bit of an overview. What I want to point out is that when I took some of my horizontal video and I dropped it into iMovie as he recommended and as he instructed, my video wasn't coming out vertical, and I couldn't figure out why. I figured out why, and I want to share that with you right now. Alright, start by opening up iMovie. Then you're going to go up to, instead of clicking on New Project and then selecting Movie or Trailer, go up to File and click File, New App Preview. This is the key to getting that vertical format available to you. Now, you see here, if we drop in a horizontal video and then a vertical afterwards, that the horizontal video still shows up in the vertical format. We'll export this, and then I'll show you a clip of what it shows like after export. So as you can see here, the exported video is still horizontal for the horizontal clip, and then it switches to vertical with the black bars on the side for the vertical clip. That's not what we're going for. So we're going to go back, we're going to create a new app project. Remember, File, New App, Preview. Now we're going to add the vertical frame in first, this just random one that we created 3 seconds worth, and now the horizontal one. And you can see the horizontal one is now showing up in a vertical frame. You can go up to the crop tool and also select which portion of that horizontal video is showing up in the vertical frame. We'll go ahead and render that out and show you that the video is now vertical. So we'll play that video, and now you can see the whole thing. There's my first vertical video frame, and now that horizontal video is being shown in vertical format of the part that I selected with the cropping tool. So what you need to do if you're going to take horizontal video and put it into the app preview to edit a vertical video is make sure that the very first clip you put in is in vertical format. So do yourself a favor, take a short 3-second clip saying, "Let's make some vertical video," and have that ready to just drop in as the first clip of a new project. You can always delete it later, but it sets the frame for the project, and it allows you to then, whenever you add horizontal videos into that project, for them to show up in vertical format. So there you go, guys. Being able to use iMovie to edit vertical videos is awesome. I really thank you very much to MacMost for showing me that workaround, and I hope the little trick that I figured out with the horizontal video, making sure that you have a vertical video in there first to set the frame of that project, really helps you out. If you gained some value from this video, go ahead and show me some love down below. If you're into DIY projects or RV content, definitely subscribe to the channel. Check out all the other things I'm doing at gainerflight.co. Until next time, I'm Joshua. You've been watching Gainer Flight. Take care and pay it forward.